Hello guys, and welcome to another video of this channel. So in this video, we're going to be talking about iStock, right? Which of course is one of these platforms that sells digital art to different customers like content creators, designers, and all those kind of things, right? So iStock is basically similar to some of these platforms that I've mentioned already on this platform, right? Such as Pond5, Shutterstock, Alamy, and so on. So here you can buy videos, photos, illustrations, and vectors if you're a creator, right? So if you make videos, for example, right, you might need to get some stock images right here, get licensed stock images, or photos if you're a designer and something like that, even vectors. Now, vectors might include things such as icons that we use, or sometimes might include things like what maybe arrows and other things, so all those kind of things. And they also sell things like mockups right here. Now I did a little bit of research on iStock and it has 1.2 stars out of 79 reviews, which is actually very bad, right? And one thing that I've noticed about these platforms, guys, especially these digital art platforms, is that since the inception of AI, like the business has literally gone down the hill. Creators nowadays can use just images from AI, even some stock images from AI. They no longer need to buy these things. They don't feel the need to actually buy images from these platforms, and they've cut down on certain commissions, right? And if you read most of these images, they're very much negative, right? And you can see that they do have like a 1 star, almost 1 star. That is actually very bad. And some people actually call it as a scam company and bad reviews. And so as I've mentioned, that here you can become a customer, right, as a creator that uses most of the things that they provide here, like videos, photos, vectors, and all those kind of things. But again, you can actually sign up as a contributor and actually be the person that create the stock photos and all those kind of things. So it depends on how you want to use this platform. So for a creator, you get access to exclusive videos and images, and their prices are usually affordable, I guess. But from the reviews, I've seen a lot of people complaining about that. It's easy, comprehensive licensing. You don't have any issue with licensing. Save visual library. Again, this is what they claim to be, but from the reviews, again, it tells a different story. And most of the content that you're going to get here is available in HD, in 4K. You get 4K video clips, and also editable like vectors, which is much more great, right? And they cover many categories, right? From education, family, healthcare, food and drinks, seasonal and holiday, special occasions, and all those kind of things. And again, if you're a content creator like myself, right, I do make videos. I also use mostly free photos, stock photos, and also free video clips as well. And I think if you watch some of my videos, you'll see that I've included some of these stock footage. So you can actually join iStock Photo to do a bunch of things, right? If you're looking for work, you can actually scroll down here and come to careers. And if you want to do affiliate marketing, that is actually maybe selling or advertising their platform, you can actually come here. You can actually sell maybe stuff right here by sell stock and become mostly a contributor. Now in the sign up button, right, you'll find something like this where you enter email, password, and you have to click join now. Of course, like you have to select this as well. And this will open a dashboard for you. So on the top here, you've got video, photos, illustrations, AI generator, and you can just click these small arrows to kind of open and see like variants of videos that you're going to get, or photos, whatever the case might be. Right, on videos, as you can see, you do have a lot of things, right? We've got categories here like 4K videos, lifestyle, aerial videos, nature videos, You can actually see the searches right here, curated content, and other things that you need to discover. Illustrations, you've got what? And the template illustrations, the icon illustrations, background illustrations, holiday illustrations, and so on. So that's all. My photos, same thing, family stock photos, business photos, tech photos, calendar photos, and so on. On AI generator, which is kind of a new thing for these sites, right? Here they do have the overview and pricing. If you want to check how much it costs to generate images and videos and stuff. You can actually generate new images here, modify stock images here, generate a use guide. If you need to learn more about this feature and how this actually feature works, you've got the FAQs and so on. So as I've said, like if you're a creator and you want to use some of the stuff that they provide here, you have to subscribe, right? So they're kind of different packages. Now for AI, for unlimited AI, basically you have to register for $14.99 per month, right, and subscribe for this. So you can actually generate as many unique images as you can with their AI powered tools. Right? And on more here, you've got vectors, right? And then you do have also categories as well. And I think for more details in terms of pricing, you can come here, then this will be your profile. You can actually set it the way you want. So as mentioned earlier, this platform does have a bad rating, with the 97% of the users giving it a 1 star. So I'll say most people are actually disappointed. One of the users said this is an absolute scam and predatory. They do not cancel. Even I started to continue to charge me and saying if I cancel before 12 months, they charge me another $560 for breaking the contract. It should be illegal that this is advertised as free trial. That's actually very, very bad. So guys, in short, this is iStock.com, and again, as you can see, the reviews are bad and some people do have a bad experience. So it is something that you're willing to try, even though I wouldn't recommend it, but again, you can try. So again, thank you for watching this video, and until then, see you on the next video.